Hi, my name is Galinski and I'm the inventor of the Accuracy Safety Shield. The reason I made this is because when I first got the weed eater without the attachment, which I never dreamed I'd be making one, I would have problems where I placed it because you couldn't see exactly where the string was going. I had no control over the accuracy of where I was placing this. So in turn, what I did, I made this to where I have no problem. It places automatically, as you can see, by just simply placing the shield right where you want it. If you want to cut here, you place it. You don't have to look for the string. If you want it over here, you place it. You don't have to look for the string. And that's why I had to do something to give me some kind of accuracy, and I feel that any homeowner can use this without any problem. The way the shield was designed was to give you the most amount of use out of each time you bump the string. The way I did that is the length of the string to the cutter minus the amount that's bumped out, which is 2.5 inches, is how I got this radius. And I've also added the feature so the notches here and here, so it gives you better control when you're putting in a new line or adjusting things. And this here is how it looks brand new. Okay, what you're about to see in the next video is a demonstration of how this is used at hedges. The normal hedge clipper will not clip all the way down inside this area here, which I've already done with this weed eater, but you'll see it in the video how it actually trimmed all down in here. This demonstration here is to show, as you can see, this needs edging all the way down. This is before. Now let me show you how it works. After I place this here, all I do is place it here and let it ride right alongside the driveway or the sidewalk, whatever you're doing, whatever the application is. Okay, you can start.
Do it. When using this as an edger, I recommend that you run it on a full tank of gas, because when you turn it to the side, you got to keep a sufficient amount of fuel going to the motor. In this demonstration, I'm going to show how it is an edger. It works fine as an edger, but also you'll get stuff like this here that you normally can't get out with a normal weed eater without knocking the rocks all over. So now I'm going to show you how you could actually trim this down and use it as an edger.
in tight areas like this where it's hard to weed eat with a regular weed eater, your weed eater will hit this and get caught up in your bushes. This you can actually glide and cut this right out without it hurting your bushes. On the next demonstration you're about to see, you'll see me use the weed eater in tight corners such as right here, as well as along the fence here. And I will also hit it against the fence just to show you it does not get tangled up in the fence. You've seen my product, you've seen what it can do, and you've seen its accuracy. This takes the place of two separate pieces of yard equipment. It takes the place of the weed eater and the edger, because this weed eats and edges all in one. This weed eater does what a regular weed eater cannot do. The shield cuts down on the amount of debris that comes back up at you. Now that I'm through demonstrating the weed eater, look at my pants, look at my shoes, no debris. The shield also keeps the debris off you. That's proof. I'm going to end this now with some still photos which include pictures of when I made the unit originally, so you can better understand how the product was put together.